The 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ represents a seismic shift for a brand that has spent decades defining American luxury through the roar of a V8 engine. Standing in our MotriX showroom finished in the deep, lustrous midnight sky metallic, this vehicle manages to look both familiar and entirely futuristic. Cadillac's designers have moved away from the traditional boxy proportions of the past to create a more aerodynamic silhouette that slices through the air, yet it still retains that unmistakable presence that demands respect the moment it enters your peripheral vision. The front end is dominated by a massive black crystal shield grille that doesn't just sit there. It performs a choreographed light show every time you approach, flanked by vertical LED light blades that have become the signature of modern Cadillac design. Even the wheels are a statement, with massive 24-inch alloys coming as the standard foundation for this electric titan. When you step inside, the transition from the old world to the new is even more dramatic. You are immediately met by a breathtaking 55-inch curved LED display that spans the entire width of the cabin from pillar to pillar. It feels less like a car dashboard and more like a high-end executive lounge. This screen isn't just for show either, it is powered by Google built-in technology, ensuring that your navigation and interface are as fluid as the latest smartphone. For those sitting in the back, the executive second-row package turns the SUV into a private jet on wheels, featuring quilted leather captain's chairs with a 10-point massage function and a 40-speaker AKG studio reference sound system that provides a literal concert hall experience. Every surface is wrapped in premium materials like open-pore wood and hand-stitched leather, proving that Cadillac hasn't lost its touch for craftsmanship in the pursuit of technology. Underneath this luxury is the heart of a powerhouse. The Escalade IQ is built on the Ultium battery platform, packing a staggering 205 kWh battery that provides an estimated range of 465 miles. This effectively eliminates range anxiety, allowing you to travel from city to city without a second thought. Despite weighing nearly 5 tons, the performance is nothing short of violent. In its dedicated Velocity Max mode, the dual-motor system churns out 750 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque, catapulting this massive living room from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. It defies the laws of physics, especially when you factor in the four-wheel steering system that allows the rear wheels to turn, giving this giant the agility of a much smaller crossover in tight urban spaces. What truly sets the Escalade IQ apart for the MotriX audience is the seamless integration of driver assist technology. It comes equipped with Super Cruise, the industry's premier hands-free driving system, which allows you to relax on over 400,000 miles of compatible highways across North America. It even features bidirectional charging capabilities, meaning this car can actually power your home during a blackout, acting as a massive backup generator. While the price tag starts around $130,000 and can climb significantly higher with the executive trims, it offers a level of prestige and capability that is currently unmatched in the electric SUV market. It is a bold statement that the king of the road has successfully evolved for a new era, proving that you don't need a combustion engine to command the crown.